Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you love grilled food but hate the smoke, mess, and waiting for outdoor weather, today's product is going to change how you cook at home. This is the Ninja IG651 Foodi Smart XL Pro 7-in-1 Indoor Grill and Griddle Combo, and it's designed for people who want restaurant-style results indoors, all year round. Right away, what makes this model special is that it works both open and closed. Closed-lid grilling gives you powerful cyclonic air that surrounds your food, while open griddle mode turns it into a flat top for pancakes, eggs, burgers, and stir-fry. At the heart of this machine is the Pro Power Grate, which delivers intense, even heat and creates real grill marks without drying food out. Pair that with Ninja's Smart Cook system and built-in thermometer, and cooking becomes almost foolproof. You simply insert the thermometer, select your protein, choose the doneness level, and the grill automatically stops when your food is perfectly cooked. This unit isn't just a grill, it's a 7-in-1 cooking system. You can grill, griddle, air fry, roast, bake, broil, and dehydrate. That means crispy fries with up to 75% less fat, juicy steaks, roasted vegetables, homemade jerky, and even baked dishes, all from one countertop appliance. The XL capacity is ideal for families. You can cook up to 6 steaks, 2 full racks of ribs, or a large batch of burgers at once. The high-temperature searing capability locks in juices, while the smoke control system keeps your kitchen surprisingly clean and comfortable. Cleanup is also easy. The non-stick grill grate, flat top, crisper basket, and cooking pot are removable and dishwasher safe, making daily use practical, not stressful. If you want outdoor quality grilling, precise temperature control, and multiple cooking functions without filling your kitchen with smoke, the Ninja IG651 Foodi Smart XL Pro is one of the most versatile indoor cooking systems available right now. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more honest reviews, and if you want to upgrade your kitchen today, check the link below and grab the Ninja IG651 while it's available on Amazon.